And every time I think of something I should make a video of, I'm just going to whip out my video camera and tell you, okay? So now I'm still working on this, okay? And you see this black pipe here? That's the main drip irrigation pipe that zipsy doodles through here underneath this, and it zips over this way, it goes along that way, and then everything kind of tees off of that to the bubblers and stuff. And as I recall, when I dug the plant out of here and got the root ball out, I tried this drip irrigation main pipe was almost flush with the ground. So I saw it from here and I kind of dug underneath and kind of pooched it down a little bit. And I remember that it was just barely below this big stepping stone here. And I've moved the stepping stones before, because when we moved in, these stepping stones weren't as nice as they are now. They're all pushed over that way, and I wanted to get them away from these big bushes, and then so I had to redo it as though you're stepping and walking through there. So I've already moved them once. It's no big deal. I'm going to move this one, get it out of the way, pull the drop, this landscape material up further all the way to this next rock stepping stone, pull it up so I can look at this, because I have a feeling where that goes through here, I want to lower that down, because I'm all into this. Doesn't it make sense to go ahead and do it and not just leave it and say, it's fine, don't worry about it? No, I'm going to do it right. And then I'll push this old landscape material back or something and put this back or something. But chances are, when I get ready to redo this area, depending how cut up I have it, I'll have to pull everything back, put patches in certain areas and overlap it. So this whole thing right here, from here this way, I might have a new strip going all the way up into here or something, and then do a piecemeal or something. Or the other thing would be you'd have to remove all these rocks and fix everything, and then recontour your dirt and your drip irrigation and your bubblers and all that kind of stuff. Plant everything. Then you could put new matting material like this all the way through here. You know what I mean? And then put the rocks back down as it is. See these rocks? I'm probably gonna have to add to these rocks too. I don't know yet. I think there's plenty of rock here, but maybe I might have to go to the store and get some more bags and kind of mix them in with this. See if I can match the coloring and the size and all that kind of stuff, and kind of intermingle some stuff when I get all done with this or something. Or if the other stuff doesn't match exactly, put the other stuff that doesn't match, put that down first in some of these big areas, and take these other rocks and sprinkle them over the top or something. There's all kinds of different things you can do. Okay, so if you got your mind set on one thing, and as you're working, continually be thinking, okay, if you run into something, if your job morphs out of whack a little bit, go with the flow. That's okay. I'm going to move that, do that. I'm going to dig this back to however far I need after I pull everything back, and that's just going to be part of the little mini MINI project. Okay, think about stuff like that and get her done. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. And hey, the more videos you watch, the more you learn and the more you save. At least that's my hope. See you tomorrow.